Introduction: The Ancient Chinese Secret to Digestive Health. Have you ever wondered how some elderly Chinese people seem to maintain boundless energy and vitality well into their later years? Today we're going to uncover a millennia-old secret that not only keeps them active, but also addresses one of the most common and uncomfortable health issues: constipation. Imagine waking up each morning feeling light, energized, and ready to tackle the day. No bloating, no discomfort, no constipation. Sounds too good to be true? Stick around, because what I'm about to reveal might just transform your life. But before we delve into this ancient Chinese wisdom, let me ask you, when was the last time you really considered your digestive health? Most of us don't think about it until something goes wrong. Constipation, in particular, is not just an uncomfortable inconvenience. It's a silent epidemic that affects millions. In the United States alone, over 4 million people suffer from chronic constipation, often struggling silently due to embarrassment. But constipation is more than just a nuisance. It can lead to severe health problems if left untreated. Why constipation matters? Constipation isn't just about the discomfort of not being able to go to the bathroom. It can have far-reaching consequences for your overall health. Your body is designed to eliminate waste regularly, and when this process is disrupted, toxins that should be expelled start to accumulate. This is like never taking out the trash. Eventually, things start to stink, and it's not pleasant. Chronic constipation can lead to more severe conditions, such as hemorrhoids, anal fissures, and even an increased risk of colon cancer. Moreover, the daily discomfort, bloating, and general heaviness that come with constipation can drain your energy and negatively impact your mood. Remember, your gut is often referred to as your second brain for a reason. The health of your digestive system is closely linked to your immune system, mental health, and even the appearance of your skin. When your gut isn't happy, nothing is. The ancient Chinese remedy, red dates. So what's the ancient Chinese secret that keeps their elderly rushing to the bathroom with the regularity of a Swiss watch? The answer is surprisingly simple: red dates, also known as jujubes. Now you might be wondering, dates, really? That's the big secret. But let me assure you, there's much more to this story than meets the eye. Red dates have been a staple in traditional Chinese medicine, TCM, for thousands of years. They are not just a snack, they are revered as a powerful medicinal food, often referred to as the fruit of life in Chinese culture. The nutritional powerhouse of red dates. What makes red dates so special? It's all about their unique combination of nutrients that are essential for digestive health and overall well-being. Red dates are packed with dietary fiber, which is crucial for maintaining regular bowel movements. Fiber adds bulk to your stool, helping it move smoothly through your digestive tract, thereby preventing constipation. But that's not all. Red dates are also rich in potassium, a mineral that helps regulate fluid balance in the body. This is key for keeping things moving along your digestive system. Potassium helps your muscles, including those in your intestines, contract properly, aiding in the movement of food through your digestive tract. Additionally, red dates are an excellent source of vitamin C, which supports your immune system, and iron, which is essential for carrying oxygen throughout your body. The fruit also contains compounds that have been shown to have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which further support your overall health. Traditional Chinese medicine's perspective on red dates. In TCM, red dates are believed to nourish the blood and calm the mind. They are often used to treat conditions like insomnia and anxiety, which are interestingly linked to digestive health. Stress and poor sleep can exacerbate or even cause constipation, making red dates a doubly effective remedy. They address both the physical and emotional aspects of digestive health, making them a holistic solution to constipation. How to incorporate red dates into your diet. So how exactly do you use these magical fruits? It's not just about eating a handful of dates and calling it a day. The traditional method involves creating a special tea or soup using red dates, along with a few other key ingredients. One popular recipe in TCM is a tea made by simmering red dates with goji berries and longan fruit. This combination is believed to be particularly effective at promoting digestive health and overall vitality. Goji berries add an extra boost of antioxidants, while longan fruit is said to further nourish the blood and calm the mind. Another method involves soaking red dates overnight and then eating them first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. This practice is believed to maximize their beneficial effects on the digestive system, making it an excellent way to start your day. Balancing your diet with red dates. But here's the thing, it's not just about what you eat, but also when and how you eat it. In TCM, there's a strong emphasis on listening to your body and eating in harmony with nature. This means eating when you're truly hungry, chewing your food thoroughly, and avoiding late-night meals, which can disrupt your digestive process. Balance is also crucial. While red dates can be incredibly beneficial, they're not meant to be consumed in excessive quantities. Like all things in TCM, moderation is key. Consuming too much of a good thing can throw your system out of balance and lead to other health issues. Will it work for you? Now you might be wondering, this sounds great, but I'm not Chinese. Will this really work for me? That's a fair question. After all, everyone's body is unique, and what works for one person might not work for another. However, the principles behind this ancient wisdom are universal. The human digestive system operates in much the same way, regardless of your ethnicity or where you live. The key is finding what works best for your individual body and lifestyle. This isn't about blindly following an ancient practice, but rather about adapting it to your modern life. Maybe you don't have the time to simmer red dates every morning, but you could easily add them to your breakfast smoothie or enjoy a cup of red date tea instead of your regular coffee. The universal lesson, nature provides. The ancient Chinese secret of red dates isn't really a secret at all. It's a reminder of something we've known all along, but often forget in our fast-paced, processed food world. Nature provides us with everything we need for optimal health. So, the next time you're at the grocery store, why not pick up some red dates? They might just be the simple, natural solution you've been searching for to improve your digestive health. Conclusion: small changes, big impact. Taking control of your digestive health doesn't require drastic measures. Often it's the small, consistent choices that make the biggest difference over time. By incorporating red dates into your diet, along with a mindful approach to eating and lifestyle, you can say goodbye to constipation and hello to a new level of vitality. Remember, health isn't about quick fixes or miracle cures. It's about honoring the wisdom of your body and the lessons passed down through generations. So, are you ready to make a change? Start by adding a few red dates to your diet and see how they can transform your digestive health. It's a small step that could lead to significant improvements in your overall well-being. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it with your friends and family who need this information. Please subscribe to our channel for more insightful health tips and updates. Your support is important for us to continue providing valuable content. You can also show appreciation and support for our work by clicking the join and thanks buttons below the video with a small token. Your journey to better health is a shared one, and together we can uplift each other towards wellness and a life full of movement and joy. Remember, your body is capable of remarkable healing, given the chance and the right support. Treat it with care, patience, and love. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.